Something that would happen to you, but dozens of children die every year after being left in hot cars, most of them unintentionally.
WPTV News Channel 5's Stephanie Susskind explains tonight just how fast your car can heat up, and that close call, it ended in a father's arrest.
Experts say all it takes is 10 to 15 minutes inside a car that isn't running before it reaches dangerous temperatures. Many new cars have warnings for you to check your back seat, but parents should always take a second look.
Saturday during the heat of the afternoon, surveillance cameras at Sam's Club on 45th Street in West Palm Beach captured 42-year-old Raul Ernesto Rielo Fernandez walking to the store alone. What you don't see is his 3-year-old daughter, who was left inside the sweltering car, according to West Palm Beach police.
There's no excuse. This is 100% preventable. This could have been a much worse tragedy. To say that this was a close call is an understatement.
A shopper noticed the little girl, notified police, and opened the door. Officers say Fernandez ran to his car when he saw the emergency vehicles and told them he forgot she was in there. This police-worn body camera video shows the little girl reunited with her mother. They say she was in that hot car for 31 minutes.
When our officer got there, she was profusely sweating, she was red, she was flushed, and she was crying.
As Fernandez is being put into the patrol car, arrested for child neglect, he tells officers,
I'm happy because the important thing is that my daughter is safe.
Just keeping your child well hydrated, the air conditioning on, the appropriate temperature.
Dr. Sara Tano is a pediatric ER doctor at Palm Beach Children's Hospital at St. Mary's. She says children's body temperature increases much faster than adults and can lead to changes in mental status, organs not functioning properly, and loss of consciousness.
So if you do encounter a child who is left in a car, if you are there when a child is brought out of their car after being left in there, what's the first thing you should do?
It's always best in these cases because they could be acting okay initially. I would recommend calling 911 so they could be brought into the hospital for us to evaluate them, just in case.
And according to the Kids and Car Safety Database, Florida is second only to Texas across the country when it comes to kid hot car deaths, most of them happening when the child is left unintentionally. Stephanie Susskind, WPTV News Channel 5.